Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful palazzo, and if you're new here, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and let's get started. So guys, as you can see, I'm just marking off a straight line that will serve as my starting point, and I'll be placing my horizontal measurement, which is from the waist to the hip and the crotch, and as well as the thigh measurement. And the thigh measurement is usually like 2 inches from the crotch measurement, like thereabouts. So guys, this is like a sew with me tutorial video, not really a tutorial video, just like a sew with me. So let's just watch. So here I'm just marking my straight line across the horizontal measurement. So I'll just be marking it just like that, and I'll be marking my thigh measurement from here, which is, like I said earlier, it is 2 inches below the crotch measurement. So as you can see, I'm just trying to show you guys the measurements I'm using. So here I'm just placing my thigh measurements. You can decide to go below that, or but like generally it's like 2 inches below your crotch measurements. So here I'm placing my knee measurement, which I use 21 inches or thereabout. Yeah, 22 inches. So that's just like the knee measurement, and I'll be placing the length of the palazzo measurement. And please note, for jumpsuits, it is very advisable that whatever your measurement, your hip measurement or crotch measurement is, you should add 1 inches extra to his for his allowance, because I didn't actually add it here, but I later have to struggle with it, and I later have to add it one anyhow, like I just add it one way or the other. So yeah, I'm just tracing out the pattern, and like I said earlier, this is not a tutorial video, it's mainly like a sew with me video. So as you can see, I've already my camera was not recording all the parts where I was using to cut out like the cuff of the crouch and all that. So I'm just showing you what I did, and I have a detailed tutorial video on how to cut a palazzo and sew a palazzo trouser, and I'll be dropping it in the description box. So feel free, because the what I did here and here is basically the same thing. Like it's the same thing exactly, because I did not use that, and basically it's just the same thing. The only difference from that one is that it is I have 2 videos on palazzo, one with the zipper and one with elastic band, and I'll be dropping the 2 in the description box. So feel free to check it anytime if you're having difficulty in understanding all what I did here. So guys, I'm just extending my measurements to the seam allowance side and all that. So as you can see, the fabric is really good, but trust me, before I sew it, I actually ironed it out, because it was a speedo kind of sewing, so I didn't have all the time to iron first and cut, so I had to cut it first and iron before sewing. So this is the front panel, the front side of the palazzo trouser, and I'll just be cutting it out. So like I said earlier guys, I'll be dropping the link to the previous tutorial on palazzo trouser in the description box. So guys, I'm done with the front panel. As you can see, what I'm doing, I'm just placing the front to the back. Like this back also is on fold, and believe me, you want to leave space upward, and you have to elongate the crouch side. You go down by half of an inch. I elongated mine with 3 inches, and you can actually achieve that by dividing whatever you're having on your crouch line divided by sometimes by 4. So whatever you're having is what you extend it with. And for the upper part, I'll just be going up by 1.5 inches because of the bump. So depending on how you look at the structure of the person. So, and here I'll be adding 2 inches all around, like 2 inches all around, because the normal conventional palazzo, the back is always bigger than the front, and the reason is because of the bum. So you have to make sure that you don't cut exactly the same thing for the back as well as the front. So you don't want to make that mistake. And then I'm just like making a slope to join the back, and whatever waist allowance I'm having, whatever my waist measurement is, I'll be connecting it like that, and I'll just be connecting it to my hip, just the way I'm doing, so just the way you're seeing it on the camera, like that. So here I'm just like adjusting the fabric, and I'll go ahead and add 2 inches all round, just the way I'm doing in. So like I'll just be adding 2 inches all round before cutting it out. So here, as you can see, I'm just cutting out the back panel as well. So here I'm done cutting. So for the upper part of the palazzo, it's just a normal simple basic bodice. So I've already drew it here, but sorry, my chalk is not very clear, or my camera is not very picking it, so that's why I was like, oh, this cannot be a tutorial video, it's better a so with me kind of like video. So here I'm placing the bust measurement, the waist measurement, with that measurement, and just the basic bodies are front. So that's what I'm just trying to achieve here. So here I'm placing my that measurement. I'm very sure if you check my videos, you'll see a lot of videos on making basic bodies, so it's not really something new that I had to make a special tutorial for. I hope you understand. So here I'm just cutting out, like marking my neckline, and I'll be cutting the front neckline. Then for the back, I'll be cutting the back neckline is different from the front neckline, so that's why I did not cut it together, as you can see. So yeah, I'm notching the dart part here, and for the back, I'll just place my my neckline measurement here, and here I'm just cutting out my zipper allowance, and I'll be taking like half of an inch. So here I'm just cutting out the neck the back neck line. So that's what I'm just doing here, as you can see. So I'm just taking half of an inch because of to remove the zipper bulge at the back. And the next thing I'll be cutting out is the band. As you can see, the band, there's band in the palazzo together with the upper part, so it has the band. So the band, I actually moved like 1 inch from the the half length. So this is it here. So to sew it, I will just connect for the back. I will join to that point I'm showing, just like half to the for the back panel of the palazzo, and for the front panel of the palazzo I'll join everything to the end. So here I'm just putting my band just like so. I'll be connecting like that, and this is where I added my 1 inches. I told you earlier about the palazzo trouser that palazzo trouser are supposed to have 1 inch, so the band is like what I used for that. So here, this is the back. As you can see, I did not sew it directly up, and the remaining allowance I'm having inward will serve as my zipper allowance. So here, as you can see, I've joined the front and back, and here I've already joined the front, the back. The only thing remaining is to fix my zipper to the back, and I'll be joining the two sides together. I'll fix my sleeve. As you can see, the way it's really looking fine here. Like I'm liking the way it's becoming. So I'll just join the sleeve, and I'll hem the trouser part, and that is all, guys. So guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.